You're here because you want to learn Solidworks, right? Well, you've come to the right place. What's going on, everyone, and welcome to the first beginner tutorial series for Solidworks. My name is Wong, and I want to thank you for taking the time away from your busy schedule to learn with me. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing what Solidworks is about. We'll talk about what parametric modeling means, go into a little bit about what drawings are for, and how the principles of associativity can improve and simplify your workflow. And lastly, don't forget to tune into my next tutorial as I will teach you how to download Solidworks for free or at a very low cost, so you don't want to miss this. I'll put a link in the description below for your convenience. Without further ado, let's jump right in. What is Solidworks? Have you ever wondered how our products are manufactured? Your toothbrush, kitchen sink, faucet, or even your trash can is probably made using a computer-assisted design, or CAD for short. Solidworks is widely used across various industries, including aerospace, automotive, consumer products, machinery, and more. There are many different types of softwares out there, but many companies choose to use Solidworks because of its ease of use and its intuitive interface. In parametric modeling, the model is defined by numerical parameters such as dimensions, angles, and constraints, which can be easily modified to update the entire model automatically. Features are controlled by geometric relationships such as concentricity, perpendicularity, coincidence, and more. These parameters are stored in the features or sketches so that we can easily modify our designs if changes are required. These 3D features are based on 2D sketches and are tracked chronologically in a feature manager. Solidworks provides tools for generating detailed engineering drawings, including dimensioning, annotations, and bill of materials. Drawings may sound unnecessarily laborious. However, it serves as a universal language for communicating design ideas, specifications, and instructions among engineers, manufacturers, and other stakeholders. As a customer, you want to make sure that you are getting the parts that you need. In order to make sure that there are no deviations in the specifications, drawings are created to ensure compliance and also to make sure that the quality does not suffer as time goes on. Associativity refers to the ability of the software to maintain relationships and dependencies between different components, features, and aspects of a 3D model. Associativity means that when changes are made to one part of the model, related components update automatically to reflect those changes. For example, in this crank assembly here, I'll go ahead and reduce the size of the crank knob from 0.4375 to 400 thou. Doing so updates the assembly and also the drawings, so that saves a lot of time from having to update the drawing and the assembly individually. Notice how the drawing went from 1.2 to 1.175 inches on the diameter of the knob. And there you have it. Please let me know what you thought about this tutorial. Don't forget to stay tuned to my next video on how to download Solidworks for free. If you like this video, please subscribe,